What's the difference between Threads and Twitter? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will discuss the major differences between Threads and Twitter. So the first one is the character limit that you will be able to use on Threads and Twitter. It is around 500 characters on Threads, and for Twitter it is 280 for unpaid users and 25,000 for paid subscribers. And multiple accounts are allowed on both of these platforms, but when it comes to verification, if you are verified on Instagram, you will be verified automatically on Threads app, but for Twitter you will have to pay around $11 a month in order to get verified. And if you want to delete your account, you can quite easily delete your account on Twitter, but for Threads you will have to delete your Instagram account in order to delete your Threads account. The private option is available on both of these apps, and you cannot edit your posts as of now on Threads, but for Twitter, if you are a paid subscriber, you will be able to edit your post. And in order to send messages, you are not allowed to send messages on Threads, but if you are on Twitter, you can quite easily send messages. Desktop option is also not available on Threads, but it is available on Twitter. And there are no ads on Threads as of now, but on Twitter it is absolutely there. The ads have actually increased on Twitter in the recent past. And the concept of hashtags is still not there on Threads app, but it is there on Twitter. And these were some major differences between Threads and Twitter. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.